Hello everyone. Let me show you my newest database that I am making available to you. It took a great deal of time to research, select, and incorporate references to an easy-to-use format. At the end of this presentation, there will be a link provided to download it from Google Drive to your personal computer. It is important to note that if you are not using Microsoft Excel as your default spreadsheet application, it may download to an alternate to Excel, which will result in some of the format and content location being lost or shifted, as had happened when I tested downloading it using Google Sheets. Now go to the Why tab. This should be the first page of the database when you open it. It provides the background as to why I developed it and the many years spent doing so. After doing a bit of searching, I believe it is the only one of its kind available. Now let's go to the Instruction tab, INSTR. It shows portions of the database with arrow leaders to explain the various navigation tabs and their purpose. On the right side is some of my past projects. Now let's go to the Master tab. This is the linked source for all of the various category tabs. Category tabs are all vertical on the top of the page, and just below them are the abbreviations for those categories. You will notice that the same abbreviations are found on the bottom of the page. You then go to that category by clicking on one of those tabs. For example, if you go up to the top and find that the category tab abbreviations is for mechanisms, you will see it is MEC. Now go down to the bottom of the page and click on the MEC tab. It will now open to that category page. Let's imagine you are looking for Geneva mechanisms. You will see there are 6 online references from the different sources to review. Notice in the specific area column 8 under Geneva. You see the link 8-190 in the box under the column. That -190 represents the page number that the Geneva mechanism is specifically located, as the online reference is a PDF file. You will open that link and then scroll down to that page number. All other links without additional numbers should take you directly to that category, except in cases where the complete PDF file is relevant. If any files fail to open because the link failed, please drop me an email and inform me so that I can ensure that it is corrected. All the links in the specific area column should be working. So if you find that one of the other links underneath the particular category is not working, you can open that one up, navigate to the correct portion of the page, and then correct that link yourself. Let us say you determine that the source from Machines and Mechanism Devices Sourcebook -8190 is what you want to make a favorite for future use. Then you just select that box and link under Geneva and change that box to a fill color that will indicate that it's a favorite for you. You could even make your own color code as the first, second, or more choices. Here is a link to the download spreadsheet as well as an email address if you wish to make contact. I hope you find it useful. Please provide me any suggestions, comments, and opinions. Thank you and enjoy.